Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your account is verified, 2FA is active, and your payment method is linked. Once done, check your Xoxo Points balance and tier. This matters for redemption rates and bonuses. Now open the Points Hub and scan available reward types, discounts, gift cards, or transfers. Make your first small test redemption, like a $5 gift card, to validate everything works. This first step avoids surprises and shows you immediate value from your points. Next, decide how to convert points. Compare redemption rates. Gift cards often yield higher per point value, while discounts apply instantly in checkout. Once you choose, apply any promo codes or tier multipliers before confirming. Those stack sometimes and increase value. Calculate the effective points to dollar rate so you know whether spending 1,000 points equals $5 or $7.50. Make the selection, then initiate the redemption flow. Confirm recipient info for transfers. Finish by confirming the transaction summary and final points deduction. Screenshot or save the receipt. Allow 24 to 72 hours for processing. Timing varies by reward type, so don't panic immediately if it's not instant. If something goes wrong, try straightforward fixes first. Clear the app cache, retry on another device, or re-enter payment details. If failures persist, contact support and provide the transaction ID, timestamps, and screenshots. That speeds resolution and recovers lost points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.